Mediation is a much better way to protect children because it's so personalized that we can really get to the root of things. In a litigation environment where kids might be subject to best interest evaluations, have to go to psychiatrists, where one parent often is accusing the other parent of trying to negatively influence or alienate the child, we really try to avoid that. The whole purpose of, in reading these child studies, which I do because I'm a little bit of a geek, but in reading these child studies, what we know is we don't screw children up by divorce. We screw children up when we fight about the divorce. And the idea is not really on the children, and it shouldn't be the kid has to go to a therapist. Most of the time, it's the parents. They need to figure out how to stop fighting with each other and how to love your children more than you hate the other side. Once you realize that every time I bad look the father of the children, or every time I refuse to speak to the mother at the sports or whatever I'm at, every time I'm snide with them or I make a snide remark, that hurts the kid. That absolutely 100% hurts the child. How is the child supposed to feel? When you think about it from the standpoint of the kid loves both parents. The kid, you don't win because the kid loves mom more than the kid loves dad. Nobody wins in that. And nobody gets that love because that always backfires when parents try to do that. Our job in mediation is to try to educate the parents for this. How would you feel? And what I say to parents, how would you feel if somebody insulted your child and you had to stand there and do nothing about it? How is that child supposed to feel when somebody insults the parent? It's terrible to put your child in that situation. And you better learn how to bite your tongue. If you can't do it, then you go see a therapist. We're not sending the kid to a million therapies. We're not having the kid go testify in front of a judge or speak to a guardian ad litem or do a supervised parenting. Why are we doing that to the child when it's you as the parent who really needs the help? It's our job in mediation to really express that to the party so that they understand nobody wants to hurt the child. You're only going to further hurt them in litigation. If you have any questions about how we can handle child-related issues, parenting time plans, custody, please feel free to take a look at any of the videos in our video library, or feel free to give us a call or contact us through the website.